Hello everyone. So in this short tutorial we are going to see how to install NASM on our Linux machine. So first of all, open your terminal. So we'll check if NASM is already installed on our machine or not. So as you can see, program NASM is currently not installed. So what we are going to do is just type this command sudo apt-get install NASM and press enter. Just type in your password and press enter key. So as you can see, it is setting up NASM and it's done. So as it's always better to cross check, we'll just type NASM space -v, that is version. So as you can see, this version of NASM is currently installed on this machine. So as we have installed NASM successfully. So thank you so much for watching.